If you have your seed phrases, so you can use your wallet anywhere and you can transfer your fund from anywhere. Yes, you can easily do this. So in this video, we are going to discuss how we can use our Trust Wallet with MetaMask or any other wallets. So I am going to complete information in this video. So please subscribe my channel before going to start this video, Crypto Wallets info, and also press the bell icon button. So today we are going to use our Trust Wallet with other 2-3 websites. So we can use same method, but you must watch this video because this video is especially for beginners who want to use the Trust Wallets. So you can see here I have my Trust Wallet. I have already opened my Trust Wallet. You can see here my Trust Wallet is open in front of me. You have already back of your seed phrases. You can see here my seed phrases available here, and I need to use my this wallet with any other wallets. Sometime my Trust Wallet application is shown error, so you can use your Trust Wallet with MetaMask or any other wallet which is receive the phrases. So my main wallet is open front of me, and if you have not a backup, so you can watch my last videos, but I am giving to also information about how you get seed phrases in this video. Simple is that you just simple click on setting button, click on manage wallet, and after that click on your wallet and show your seed phrases. Simple enter your password here, strong password, which is you have apply when you was create account. So yes, you can see here my phrases reveal. So please keep in your mind, don't use these phrases for your personal use because this video is only for educational purpose. So don't use, please don't use, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay, I'm going to click on cross and going to main screen of my Trust Wallet. Now we are going to start how we can use our Trust Wallet with MetaMask. So what will I need? I need my Trust Wallet. I have already installed in my system. When you install in your system, you just simple click on icon of MetaMask and then click on forget password if you have a already account. Otherwise you will see uh, a new account or existing account, but I have already account, so that I just simple click on forget passwords. Though, so there is two options available here. I don't know my phrases and import a wallet. I already have my seed phrases of my Trust Wallet, so that click on it and just simple paste here. All phrases here, that's maybe correct because yes, I'm going to cross check is correct or not. Solar and friend, last is solar, first and means all phrases is correct. Now going to click on continue. Enter my password here, which is I want to apply. I always apply strong password because I want to save my fund from scammer or hacker. So you can also do this. Now click on if I lost password, MetaMask can't reset it. Okay, create a password. Now waiting for this. Just maybe take some time. You can see here, viewers, I have successfully import my Trust Wallet in MetaMask. You can cross check. If I'm going to click on cross check, is let's suppose I want to check my Ethereum wallet address of my Trust Wallet. Receive button. You can see here, copy, and my wallet address is 0x, start and end is EO. So what is the address of my MetaMask, which where is I import my Trust Wallet, and receive button, wallet address or open. Yes, you can see here my wallet address is same. This is your first option. Second option, how can you import your Trust Wallet with MetaMask. First, you need to, if you have installed already MetaMask, so that's fine. If you're not, so I'm going to first of all remove my browser extension MetaMask, and now install MetaMask extension, MetaMask extension, because I need to use my Trust Wallet with MetaMask. This is the second option. I already discussed with the first option. Now going to click on second option. There's two ways available here. You can easily use Trust Wallet with MetaMask. Now click on Add Google Chrome, Add Extension. Now waiting for this. The extension is going to download, right top corner, shown here. Almost done. My extension properly download. After some time, yes, you can see here the extension is going to installing in my system. Now installed. First I need to pin this MetaMask in my seek bar. Simple click on it when you want to import your Trust Wallet with the MetaMask. Now MetaMask is open in front of me. There's two options available here. Create a new wallet. I have an existing wallet. So I already have the seed phrases of my Trust Wallet, so that I want to use my Trust Wallet with MetaMask. Simple click on I have existing wallet. I just simple click on it, and then there's shown three options: sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, or import using secret recovery phrases. So I will use third option because I have seed phrases. Now enter your secret recovery phrases. So I'm going to open my notepad file where I have saved my all secret phrases. Just simple copy and paste here. All phrases shown here. If I'm going to click on yes, first phrases is correct and last one also is correct. No. Now what will I do? I just simple click on continue button. Now enter my strong password here, which is I want to apply. Click on it. Simple create a password. Now product update I don't need. Open a wallet. Now as you can see here, I have successfully import my Trust Wallet with the MetaMask. I hope viewers you properly understand how can you use your Trust Wallet with MetaMask. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.